For those who don't know me, I am Rakesh Uike, pursuing MSc Computer Science second semester. I am going to talk about Auto AI technology, and I will begin by introducing you all to the term AI for AI and Auto AI. And then I will highlight few points about the basics of machine learning phases, Auto AI process and its working. And finally, I will discuss some use cases of Auto AI. This will be a short presentation and hardly it will take 10 to 12 minutes of yours. So let's start with the introduction of AI for AI. To increase the data science work efficiency and to automate the tasks within the data science workflow, some advanced technology created such as Google, AutoML, H2O, Data Robot and open source libraries like AutoScaler. These are the example of AI for AI. In that, AI technology is being used to develop an AI solution, and IBM company come up with such a new technology that is Auto AI, long form Automated Artificial Intelligence. Auto AI automates the process of data preparation, data development, model development, feature engineering, and hyperparameter optimization. Using Auto AI, you can build and deploy a machine learning model with sophisticated training features and no coding is required. This tool does most of work for you. Now take a look at typical model building and deployment path. Being a data scientist, you assign a task, go and build a model, and then this is how every data scientist gets started. They start with the data pre-processing, which involves getting data set, importing necessary libraries, importing data sets, then finding the missing values, encoding categorical data, then splitting that data set into training and test data, and feature scaling. It takes a lot of time and hard work, but this is not the end. After the data pre-processing phase, you choose a model, train that model and evaluate that model, perform some hyperparameter tuning and assume some prediction along with the model, and repeat this process unless you are confident about the model. And finally, you think it's ready for the deployment, but everyone's come up with the same question: does this thing even work with the new type of raw data? And this is the phase where every data scientist get frustrated. So remove this all headache. IBM come with the new AI technology, Auto AI technology. Now, why to choose Auto AI technology? It is the fast process as compared to typical data science process because AI lifecycle management as a typical project consumes 1 to 6 expert data scientists for 2 to 12 months, but Auto AI just need a raw data and model will be in your hand less than an hour. It also empowers citizen data scientists. Citizen data scientist is the term defined by Gartner is a type of professional experts who perform expert and advanced analytics without the much knowledge of maths and statistics. And it also enhances the performance and reproducibility of a model. From the figure given below, you can easily understand the features of Auto AI over the typical data science process. As to solve the data science problem through the typical path, first you should have the depth knowledge of the following fields such as computer science. You should know machine learning algorithms and libraries. You should know the data science workflow, math, statistics, application software, plus industry knowledge and domain knowledge. But in case of Auto AI, you just have to know more or less about data science and should have the domain knowledge, that's all, and rest of the work is done by Auto AI. Coming to the next, as Auto AI is the best example of AI for AI, all the work of automation of AI development is done within the Cloud Park for Data. Cloud Park for Data is an analytical platform that helps you to prepare data for artificial intelligence. The workflow of AI designing AI is bigger and complex. It's a whole complete AI life cycle involves the data cleansing, feature engineering, model selection, parameter optimization, model validation, model deployment, runtime monitoring, and model improvement. Now coming to the next, AI optimizing AI. AI optimizing AI can be easily understood by easily from the following figure, where all the phases of ML model building is optimized by the auto AI, starting from the data preparation to generating a rank model pipeline. All the work is done by auto AI. You just have to save your model and deploy your model. Coming to the next, AI governing AI means auto AI monitors the AI. The whole process of auto AI is monitored by AI, due to which user get a full transparency, such as from where the particular type of data is originated, understand how models are making decisions based on given data, and most important point, auto AI highlights when the model goes wrong, means if something error occurred or something bias, you can directly view on your leaderboard. Coming to the next, IBM Cloud Park for data provide advanced analytics features with the combination of big data and AI. I assume that you all know about the big data and artificial intelligence already. So the power of both big data and AI is combined to give the advanced analytics through the Cloud Park for data. Coming to the next, Auto AI via IBM Cloud Park for data offers huge benefits such as accelerate your data science projects by as much as 80% with Auto AI, improve your insights by bringing AI and ML models to the Hadoop and big data ecosystem, empowers citizen data scientists and analysts to gain as much as 400% return on investment, predict and optimize business outcomes using natural language interface. As the interface of Cloud Park Auto AI via IBM Cloud Park Cloud Park for data is easy to use, as it is a easy interface. Coming to the next, user benefits of using Auto ML. Auto ML, you can say Auto ML or Auto AI. There are the number of benefits of using Auto AI. The benefits include building model faster, as Auto AI prepares the most of the work for you. Overcoming the skill gaps means no coding experience required, as the most of the coding part is done by Auto AI. Uncovering the more use cases means that the Auto AI model automatically study and apply the many use cases to your model. It automatically identifies the key predictors. It rank your model and explore model by the comparing various candidate pipeline, and deploy your model easily through the AI auto generated pipelines. The deployment is hello, any problem? Can I continue? So let's continue. Deploying the model through the auto AI generated pipeline, the development model can then be accessed and predictions made through the rest of APIs. Coming to the next, with Cloud Park for data, you can manage the end-to-end AI lifecycle from the single platform. When you install the service that support automated AI lifecycle, you can easily govern your data, prepare your data, build models, deploy, manage your models at a scale, govern your AI models, detect and mitigate bias and drift in your AI models, understand how your AI model make predictions. All the features come with the Cloud Park for data when you use Auto AI through the Cloud Park platform. Coming to the next, according to the source, around 86% of the CEO consider advanced analytics, that is obviously artificial intelligence and data science, to be their number one priority for their companies. Auto AI successfully applied to the sectors such as customer marketing, customer support, cost optimization, risk and fraud analysis, actionable threat intelligent customer analytics. It is also applied to the various intelligent supply chain optimization. It can also help in the real-time cybersecurity and many more. Great feedback received from all the Auto AI users till now. In short, we can say that Auto AI is the present and future of the data science and data analytics. That's all I wanted to say about. Thank you for your listening, and the session is open for discussion. If anyone has any query, I will be glad to answer. Yes, any query? Yes. Yes, Pankaj. Your question is very nice. Yes, I get it. Feature engineering is the process of using domain knowledge to extract features such as characters, properties, and attributes from the data. Let me explain in Hindi. फीचर इंजीनियरिंग एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें तुम रॉ डेटा के कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स उठाते हो, उसके भरोसे आप प्रेडिक्शंस कर सकते हो कि मतलब प्रेडिक्शंस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है ना एमएल, तो उसमें कैसा अगर तुमको पता करना है कि क्या चाहिए तुमको एक्चुअली रिजल्ट में, तो उसको प्रेडिक्शंस कहा जाता है. पर फीचर इंजीनियरिंग वो प्रोसेस है जिससे हम उसके फीचर्स निकालते हैं कोई भी रॉ डेटा के, जिसके भरोसे हम बाद में प्रेडिक्शंस कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट एनीवन? हेलो. Yes, Sarangi.
Hello. Can you explain what is hyperparameter?
Yes, of course. In machine learning, hyperparameter optimization or hyperparameter tuning is the problem of choosing a set of optimal hyperparameters for a learning algorithm. Hyperparameter is a type of parameter whose value is used to control the learning process. Means अगर आपको कोई भी एमएल ट्रेन करना है, मतलब मशीन लर्निंग का मॉडल ट्रेन करना है, तो उसके लिए हाइपर पैरामीटर एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट माना जाता है, क्योंकि उसी से आप पूरे लर्निंग प्रोसेस को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. यस, गेट इट? यस, एनीवन? हेलो मैम. हेलो, एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके, थैंक यू मैम.